Surviving indie music in Hong Kong is never easy. They suffer from both external and internal factors. Externally, the government does not support it. The longest pedestrianized shopping area for busking was shut down in 2018. Even the biggest live house was closed recently. It has closed and reopened several times before. For internal reasons, almost 40% believe there's no space to perform. Exposure is the best way to expand their fan base, but there's a lot of things that hold them back to perform. Vans has always been helping underground music get into the main stage. But this time, we would like to turn the house Vans into out of house. Turning the underground not only to the main stage, but anywhere with the off-the-wall stage. Introducing Vans Flip the Ground program, turning the underground to on the ground. First, we released the ad on Instagram to invite musicians to join our program. We even put it in a prominent billboard where people can flip it. The push ad can direct them to the Vans app to register a ward to perform. To let more people know about the upcoming event, we released an online video showing how the musicians stop hiding.
I said it well, I played the game and I'm still the same and I never changed just to get a deal, but I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing, yeah, you know I done it, that is no discussion, bitch, I'm ballin'.
Switching up to the application, every time you flip your smartphone, you flip to a different streets in Hong Kong. Musicians can explore where to perform by flipping their phone and telling people where they are, and the audience can find a performance near them. After one spot was checked in, other Indian musicians can be informed that it's occupied. Audience can find out more about the musicians linking to Spotify. We also turn different wards in Hong Kong into a stage where musicians can perform, telling them to literally go off the wall. With the classic pattern of checkerboard, we turn a city wall into a stage for street performances. Audience can scan the QR code on the wall to link back to the mobile app. Vans will also go live sometime for people to discover indie music. The waffle truck will park near the wall for people to enjoy the show. We also provide assistance with the vans to carry their heavy instruments and equipment, and the stickers will always remind people to keep going. And finally, we create a Flip the Ground challenge where people can show how they flip the ground and get out of the bedroom to perform.
Do the numbers, I said it well, I played the game and I'm still the same and I never changed just to get a deal, but I'm ballin'. I came from nothing to something like it's nothing, yeah, you